Hey guys, so I showed you guys Cryonis and I showed you guys Stasis. I've also been working on Magnesis, so this is what we've got. Switch to taking aim, so you got your reticle. Any object that's been marked as metallic will light up like that. You can literally do it to anything, chairs and tables, whatever. So you grab it, you can scroll with the mouse wheel to bring it in closer or bring it further out. You can swing it around like that, drop it, grab something else. You can hit stuff, bang, like that. Send shit flying. Things like this with the plane. It's good for. You can make really cool puzzles, you know, like typical Breath of the Wild shit. So bring that up here, grab it again, swing her around like that, and then walk across. Yeah, look, it's pretty cool. It's really fun to use. It was pretty fun to make as well. It's pretty simple. It's not as complex as the Cryonis and the Stasis, so that's good. There's some cool sounds that we've got going on, like we've got the humming right now. Different humming when you pick it up. I might make a particle system that connects you to the block while you're dragging it around. That'll look kind of cool. But apart from that, like, it's pretty good. There's a few things that I need to work on and iron out, like there's a few little glitches and stuff, but it's not too bad. I'll definitely make a tutorial for this one soon, but I'll finish the remote bombs off first, and then we'll do them all together in one hit. So let me know if you're excited for that. Let me know if you think this is cool as well, and I'll get around to a tutorial as soon as I can, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.